Whoa,
Be careful.
I'm not gonna fit in this.
Really? Do I have to make the...
It's very, very, very narrow. Lights are flickering due to the bomb
Oh my god.
impacts. Oh. Oh.
Oh, watch out.
I was
Be
almost
careful.
going down.
Okay.
Whew. It's very narrow.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
It's down here.
Every single day,
I almost tripped there.
gonna make
These are the trenches.
that's my way.
Next to me. We are tired. It's a long walk. It's the masks are killing us.
Yeah.
Actually, an open air. I can pull it down a little.
I wouldn't take the risk. If
Yeah.
someone passes by.
Yeah, okay. It's small in here. Sorry. I'm not going in there.
Do I have to go in
It's
there?
it's made too small.
I can make
You can go in there.
yeah. I just have to.
Don't die in there.
Okay. I have to watch my head. Oh my god, it's very narrow. Oh my
Dan goed
god.
vast, hè?
Yeah. Really? Oh, very low ceiling. Oh my god.
What is?
Very low ceiling.
Come out.
You wouldn't fit in it in here.
know, it's too small.
Really? Whoa. I will take the other exit. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, look. Hi.
I'm
Watch out for
coming
your
out.
head, watch out for your head. Give me the...
I give you the cam.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give you back your
Okay.
tools here. And open the back.
I'm back.
Get out first.
There's a little step I have to watch out. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm out.
Got it?
Safely. Yeah. Puppies.
Yeah, they're growing poppies here, so... Flander field poppies. I think I was too big for this war, you know? They can see me and shoot me now. It's unbelievable. These are the trenches, so dangerous, very dangerous. There are actually shooting holes here. Look, you can stand on this ledge and then you can shoot through these holes.
Oh, okay.
But if you go there, your head's sticking out with your helmet, so it's not that safe. And there's a periscope here. Do you see this periscope?
Yeah.
Look. If you look into it, you can see what's outside there. Check. You see?
Yeah.
That's a periscope. Yep. Well, they use twigs for the side walls. Understand? Okay.
Yeah.
You can see. Look, here's a metal plate.
Give me
Shoot
the
plate.
cam.
You can see up there?
Yeah.
Something to see
Statues and old.
and stuff.
Yeah. That's a nice view. So.
It's warm.
Yeah, outside. Yeah.
Hello. I'm tired. I'm really tired.
So,
I'm not getting up the ledge because of my foot. Look, this is a builder's ass. Wat een nasty, hè?
is dit al aan?
Verlies mijn zak niet.
Nee.
Trenches. Trenches. We're walking through the trenches.
Wat lukt het de rest?
Here you have your walking hole. It's a shooting hole actually. Here are also shooting holes, but they don't see safe. Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. I was checking if
You're taking my bag with you?
didn't forget anything. So.
You got everything with
Yeah.
you? Okay. This is a communication trench.
Communication.
Yeah. What we're going through here. Oh. Don't break your legs. Okay. So you could hide in here. It's small. It's
Play
also
hide
small.
and seek.
Yeah, it's also small.
Really small.
Yep. So small, also small. Sorry. Or somebody is throwing gas in here, mustard gas or anything like that.
Imagine.
Yeah. Small trenches. These trenches are so small. Look to the poppies. There are poppies here. Not puppies, but poppies. Ah, you're here. Okay.
I don't know what.
I think it's a sort of bunker, yeah. Where you could hide, you know. Yeah. It's I think you could take this out and you can sit there. There's no benches and every person has his own bench with a name on it. Yeah, and this is actually how they built bunkers.
It's a hiding place.
Yeah, it's a sort of bunker hiding place. It's how they built it in the First World War, with metal plates and concrete on top of it. I think it's a replica because it's too good state. If it's 100 years old, it should be rotten by now. It's yeah.
Not very safe, eh?
Nope.
Oh. Oh my
You
god.
really are experiencing the way they live down here. Okay.
I have to go to the light.
Yeah, it's like a a maze in here. Not a dungeon, it's a maze. We're still walking through the trenches. There's a long way of trenches in here. Oh, there's actually something to listen to here. You can listen here. Look to the backskin. Oh, it's battery is flat. Look, there's actually a big spider down here. It's the. Is this strong enough for me?
I hope so.
This is a British trench with the metal plates and open floors.
Is this the British?
Yeah, it's a British trench with metal plates at the sides. They used metal plates and open floors because stuff could fall through. But it's dangerous to break your legs here. Whew. And the poppies are growing through these walls. You can actually see the poppies grow here through the walls. It's crazy. Yeah, it's dangerous. It's very dangerous. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I almost fell down there. There was a plank missing. Yeah, a plank. One of these planks were missing. Is this a... it's some place to put your stuff in.
I just roll into it.
Oh my god.
In the hole, yeah.
That's it's also a shelter in here. A small shelter. But you don't have to crawl in there. It stops. It's a small shelter, so
Okay.
you don't have to crawl in there. It's so small, you cannot go through, you know.
Oh.
Did you think you can go through? Or
No.
No?
Yeah.
You just want to have some...
Yeah.
No, don't. It's too dirty in there.
No, it's
Don't
not.
go in there. It's not good for you.
I keep it.
No?
I will
No?
go in.
Let's go further. It's too dangerous. Don't let anything fall down here, you can fish for it. And I don't have my fishing magnets with me. Okay. Oh, these trenches are long, man.
But there was also a short way. But I didn't
Ah,
say
short way. Ooh, you say that now. Thank you. Uh-oh. Oh my god, this is dangerous. Don't walk in the middle of the planks, just walk a little at the sides. It's okay. It's not dangerous here. Oh, we're at the end.
Let's wait for this.
The end is near, yeah.
The end here?
It's a rotten one. The end is near. Oh, I'm not... Ah, there's still a shelter here.
Whoa.
Another shelter. Okay. That's a different one with different plates.
Yeah.
I think this is the British one.
This
The other one
British
was...
one. This is the British flag.
Yeah.
So.
This is crazy. Huh?
Yeah.
The outside is near. Trench experience. Oh. Okay. Now you can see the trenches from above. These are narrow gauges tracks. Narrow tracks. There's a metal plate shot by millions of bullets. You can see in the back the pole of New Zealand, totem pole. And here are the trenches again with the poppies. This is crazy. Check these trenches. Cool trenches.
Yeah,
Huh?
really
It's cool to do.
Yeah.
It's very nice. You actually have the full experience here.
Yeah.
This is one of the best experiences you can have about the war.
Yeah.
So I think we sign off now, yeah?
Yeah.
it's the end of the trenches, the end of the museum, and for us it's back to the camper, eat something, drink something,
And go to
and rest.
a different location.
Yeah, different location, but first rest a little. Because yeah, I rested in between, but my feet hurt. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye.